Hi guys! Today I'm going to be taking you through our ageless beauty ritual done in 12 minutes. 6 minutes with the rose quartz roller and 6 minutes with the gua sha tool. I'm going to go right into it, showing you the technique to use it. First, I'm going to prep my face. And we're going to start on our neck. Going in an upwards motion using medium to hard pressure, we're going to be rolling gently upwards 5 to 6 times on the same section. Next, we're going to start on our face, starting on our jawline, right here. In an upwards motion, roll across your face 5 to 6 times, and then moving on to another section. Now for around our eyes, we want to take it across the bone right under and sweep upwards. And right under, we're going to press and hold. And close your eye and roll across 3 to 4 times. And the same thing on the other side. Now moving on to our forehead, we're going to start with around our eyebrows. Start in the middle and roll across. Do the same thing, starting in the middle of your eyebrow and rolling across. and then ending with the end of your eyebrow and rolling across. Now for our forehead, we start in the middle and go up and out. And finally, from the middle of our eyebrows up. Now moving on to using the gua sha side of our tool, we're going to use a scraping motion, gently using little to medium pressure, starting on our neck, going up and wiggle. Right under your chin. Moving on to our face, we're going to start in the middle of our chin and going across our jawbone. And wiggle. Once you get around your cheekbone, you want to go up, right underneath. And then being very gentle around the eye, starting from the middle of the nose and up the cheekbone. onto our eyebrows. Again, starting in the middle, scraping up and across. Then starting in the middle of our eyebrow and doing the same thing. Finishing off with the end of your eyebrow, pulling right into your hairline by your temple. Now with our forehead, we do the same thing as we did with our roller. Start in the middle, go up and across. Up and across. Always take it right to your hairline. For the middle of our forehead, go up. Starting in the middle of your eyebrows, and out. Focusing a little bit around the mouth, going over our laugh lines, around the nose, and mouth. Always going in an upward sweeping motion. And that's it, our ageless beauty ritual in 12 minutes using our rose quartz roller and gua sha tool. 6 minutes with the rose quartz and 6 minutes with the gua sha tool.